The longest government shutdown in history is finally over. Overnight, Republicans and Democrats reaching a temporary agreement to reopen, restoring funding to several programs that had been cut during the shutdown. News 2's Delilah James joins us live in studio. And Delilah, you had a chance to hear from U.S. Senator Lindsey Graham today. How quickly does he anticipate that things will start getting back to normal?
Carolyn, U.S. Senator Lindsey Graham says this moment was long overdue as millions of Americans face uncertainty and daily struggles, especially those who went without pay. And while some things will return quickly, others will take some time. The first wave of federal workers is expected to start receiving paychecks this weekend, and with more expected into early next week. The exact timing will depend on the agency, but all furloughed workers are required to receive pay for the time they were out of work. One major complication of the shutdown has been air travel, with the Federal Aviation Administration ordering flight reductions at major airports across the country due to an air traffic controller shortage. Made worse by the shutdown, the FAA says flight cuts will remain at 6% as air traffic controllers return back to work. And while they try to get back on track, Graham is warning travelers it's not going to be an instant fix.
The system's been in a state of shock. It's going to take a while to get back. I know you got a couple of kids, you want to get to grandma's house. It's frustrating. I travel all the time. It can be a frustrating experience. The only thing I would tell you is that it wasn't the fault of the people at the airport. They have been working without pay. They've been working more time with less people. They're frustrated. They're pretty worn out. Just try to be patient.
Graham voted in favor of the bill to fund the government. South Carolina's only Democratic Congressman, Representative James Clyburn, voted against it because it doesn't address what Democrats say will be sky-high health care premiums. Clyburn saying in part, quote, "The end of the shutdown does not mean the end of Democrats' fight to ensure that health care in this country is accessible and affordable for all the American people. They deserve that," end quote. The current legislation funds most government programs through January, so Republicans and Democrats will be back in the negotiation process with the threat of another shutdown looming early next year. Reporting in studio, I'm Delilah James, Count on 2.